Oh, good morning. Beso, beso, yeah. Oh my goodness. Good morning, everybody. I'm Brooke, Christina, and today is January 30th, which means that today it's my boyfriend's birthday. This is the first birthday that him and I are spending together. We weren't dating last January, but we're dating now, so I get to celebrate his birthday with him, and I'm so excited. He actually works today until 5:30, so I won't get to see him until tonight. I have a couple things planned that he has absolutely no idea about. He actually didn't know that we were gonna see each other today until last night. I said, please make sure you're not busy after work, because I have surprises. So I'm gonna meet up with him later at his house. I'm gonna give him his gifts, which I can show you guys. And then I'm going to take him out for dinner at one of the spots that he has wanted to go recently. He has an entire list of places he wants to go or take me. And so I picked, well, actually I didn't pick, his best friend picked one of the spots that he could remember was on Justin's list. When Justin and I get to this restaurant, Eric and his girlfriend Sarah are already gonna be there. Hopefully, again, fingers crossed, everything goes smoothly. Justin has no idea that they're even gonna be a part of today. He's at the age where it's not really exciting to have a birthday anymore, which I understand. So I wanted to make sure today was special. I wanted to make sure that it was spent with every single loved one. And I'm excited. I don't know. Good morning. Beso, beso, beso. Hi. If you guys don't know, beso in Spanish, I think, is kisses. I'm gonna actually get ready because I have a lot planned for today. Everybody knows how long females take to get ready, so it's not a stereotype, it's the truth. So let's go get ready. Alright, so I am currently getting ready. As you can probably see, I just did my skincare. But as I was getting ready, I was, you know, just thinking about Justin, as I usually do. I just kind of wanted to share with you guys how he is with me and just how much I love and appreciate him. And babe, I'm sure you're watching this. I'm trying to make this video revolved around you, and I just really want you to know how special you are to me. So the first thing I definitely have to say about Justin is he is so patient. Like, he is the most patient person I know. I feel like that's really important for me to be dating someone who's patient, because I don't get my hopes up necessarily, but I want things to be perfect, and when they're not, I get kind of nervy. When I'm in that state of mind, I think it's very important for the person who's dating me to just be like, listen, relax, it's cool, it's fine. And he takes the time to make sure I'm always good, and he always tries so hard to change my mood. Like, if I'm in a bad mood, he'll try so hard to just make me laugh, make me smile. And I love that about him. And I know I don't tell him enough how much I appreciate that, but I do, and it means a lot. He's also just so gentle and loving. I love him. I've never met somebody that I feel so good to be with. Like, yeah, sure, Justin and I argue every here and there. Our love is just so strong, and we just both care about each other so much, and I've never worked so hard for a boyfriend in my life. I want him to be so happy and make him feel so loved. I tell Justin all the time, I've never loved any guy as much as I love him, and I just think what we have is really special. Thank you, Justin, for just picking me and believing in me and helping me grow as a human and watching us grow as a couple. I like how I'm being all sentimental while I'm filling my eyebrows. Like, wow, Brooke, great timing. He does a lot of things that just make him happy, and that's kind of what he focuses on, is the happiness of himself, but also the happiness of everybody around him. I love that about him, because I want to be with somebody like that who puts a positive impact not only on myself but the people around us. But honestly, Justin, you know how I feel about you. You're honestly so special to me. Like, I can't stress that enough. You are the best person that has ever walked into my life. It just brings so much happiness and love and light into my life, and I can't tell you guys how supportive he has been within the past couple weeks with the passing of Chloe. And I also had a high school friend pass away due to cancer, and Justin's just been there every step of the way, and he has been absolutely amazing. So thank you so much, babe. That's one of many reasons why I wanted to do this surprise today, just because he's so special. He takes such amazing care of me, and, you know, all these factors. I just want to take one day and make it very special for him. Do you guys know I'm in love? Could you tell? Perfect, thank you so much. Okay, you guys, so I just made the reservation for tonight. I'm so excited. Everything is going as planned. As of right now, fingers crossed, they keep going as planned, but I'm so excited. So I just finished my makeup. It's very neutral. This is kind of what I do every single day, just mascara, brows, and a bit of face makeup. Also, you guys probably just saw from the last clip of me on the phone, but yes, I'm wearing a Coors Light t-shirt. I got this for free in the summer, and I love it. No, I don't drink beer. I'm not condoning to go out and drink. I don't personally drink beer, I just like this shirt. I think before I forget, I'm gonna wrap Justin's gift. So I guess I'll show you guys what I got him. I got him a frame of him and I. This frame is from Michael's, and then I got the picture developed at Walmart. And I got him this, which is a t-shirt. It's from the brand Canadian Made, I think. It's a t-shirt and it has that logo on the side. It says YYZ, which is Toronto, which is where we're from. So yeah, that is all I got for him. I don't really have the money right now to splurge on him, otherwise I totally would. I know he really wants a movement watch, the MVMT watches. I just don't have that kind of money, so one day, babe, I'll try for you. Sorry. I hope this is enough. We're not like really gifty people. We're more so the type of people that just appreciate each other's presences. So this is just an extra, but I figured I would spoil him a little bit, as much as I can. Nice, dirty laundry. God, I just put all his stuff in the box. I'm probably gonna get like wrapping paper, and I also really want to make him a card. I have such a cute idea for the card that I want to make him, so I'll probably go make that now, and then I'll show you guys later.
Do you know the way? You gotta know the way. The way. You know the way. Do you know the way? You gotta know the way. The way. You know the way. Do you know the way? You gotta know the way. The way. You know the way. Do you know the way? You gotta know the way.
Okay, so I just got finished making the card for Justin. And it's honestly adorable. It turned out really, really well. So it's Ugandan knuckles. Oh my gosh, I'm like ridiculous for doing this, but him and I watched that video and we just laugh, and I don't know, it's like an inside joke between us, kind of. So it just says,
do you know the way?
And then on the inside it says, to the party. So I don't know. He looks kind of like drunk and a little disoriented, but I think that's how he looks naturally. So yeah, that is his gift. It is all in the shoebox now, ready to go. My baby's getting some new Adidas. Just kidding, he's getting a whack load of stuff. Okay, so it is starting to get dark outside, but that means it's almost time to go. I'm so excited. I just got dressed. I'm wearing this little cape thingy from Mendocino with just a black long sleeve and my favorite Gap jeans. And yeah, I feel really cute. My hair's just in a little messy bun, typical jewelry. I'm gonna give him a call because he's now officially done. He has absolutely no idea what I'm still.
Hello?
Hi.
Hi.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
So, I have a few surprises.
A few surprises.
Yep.
Okay, what's that?
I'm gonna come to you right now, and we're gonna friggin' party.
We're not gonna party because I'm tired.
I know, I'm kidding. I'm gonna come to your house, give you your gift, and then I'll tell you your next surprise when I get there, okay?
Okay, do I have to like shower and stuff?
I mean, you might want to. I don't know. It's up to you. If you want to like wake up, because yeah, you need to be awake.
What does that mean?
I don't know.
We're obviously going somewhere.
Somewhere.
How many people did you invite to this somewhere?
Just us.
Then why do I have to be awake?
Because I'm your girlfriend and I'm surprising you. Everything's taken care of. I thought of all the factors.
Okay.
Okay, bye. Love you.
You're safe. Love you.
Bye. He has no idea. I'm so excited. I just got to Justin's house. I'm gonna call him and I'm gonna give him his gift once he lets me inside.
Hello.
Bebe, I'm here!
Okay.
Don't sound so happy! Okay, come open the door, please.
I'm coming.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Yay! Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Do you like your gift?
Yes.
Do you want to know the other surprise?
Yeah, what is it?
Come.
Why are you vlogging?
Come.
Yes.
We are going to Wonderland. I'm kidding. We're going out for dinner, and it's off one of the places on your list.
Okay.
So, dress nice.
Dress nice.
Yeah.
So you can stop talking.
Woo! Are you happy? Are you surprised?